I had a flat tire last week and I was looking for a tire repair company. So I just did on Google, flat tire repair near me. And I noticed a big problem with a lot of the results that came up. A lot of them didn't even have a website. I mean, it's 2026 and we have businesses that do not have websites. So that got me thinking, okay, what other local businesses might be back in, 1990 with no website? So I looked for plumbers near me and I found there's a lot of plumbers that don't have websites. And then I found even some plumbers, and shout out to Crawford Plumbing. I'm sorry if you watch this, but some of the websites that did exist were just very bad. I saw copyright 2014 and things like that, and they were just dated, didn't look good. But you know what? It's not the business's fault. They're busy out plumbing and electricing and tire repairing. They don't have time to build a website to go figure out what is entailed in that. So I had the idea, can I build a one-man AI agency? I don't have time to run this business or spend a lot of time on this, but can I use AI to just build decent-looking websites for these companies, charge something small? I know these are local businesses. I charge them $50 a month, $75 a month, something like that, to get them a professional-looking website out very quickly. And my plan is, if this works for me here in Lincoln, you could take this idea and you could do this in your local area. Feel free, steal my ideas, please. But you use AI to build websites for local businesses, charge $75 a month, get 100 customers, quit your job. Okay, there's the blueprint for this side hustle today. Traditionally, building a website it's a fairly complicated thing. You have to know web design and you have to know HTML and CSS. And a good website traditionally could cost, $20,000. I've seen people charge $20K for just a normal looking professional website. And it could take a few weeks. Again, I do not have time for that, so I'm looking for AI to help in this process. But this is where Hostinger comes into play. So this is an AI website builder where you could build professional websites for these local businesses or whatever business you're needing. And it's super cheap. $2 a month plus 3 months free, 30-day money-back guarantee. I mean, this is basically free to use this. So, and you can do premium website for one website, but I want to do this one where you get 50 websites. So for 4 years, a free domain name, and there's promo code James Pelton for 10% off. You're paying $129. Okay, I mean, this is a free tool to use. So, and then they have two options. You want to build a website, you click add website. They have Horizons, which is basically just like vibe coding. You just say, build me a website that does this. Super easy. You can chat back and forth with their AI to get the website created. A second option where you have a little bit more control is the Hostinger website builder. So this is, you can enter the brand name. So we'll use mine. We'll say Lincoln Local Web. I'm a local web designer who builds websites for local businesses. But you can give some info on the website that you're creating. It'll let you customize it a little better and get something that your customer will really like. So this kind of combines AI and a website builder. I can click here and use the AI writer to get, different copy. If I don't like this gradient on the back here, so I can edit that section and say, hey, give me a different gradient, make it a little darker, or I can set specific colors. So you can use either. You can either use the vibe coder or the website builder that lets you customize it a little bit better. And then seriously, in about 20 seconds, you will have a website created for your customers. And they have a ton of other features you could offer. You could offer email marketing. You can set up the domain name for the customers. You could build an e-commerce store. There's a lot of things that you could offer. So my roadmap that I did here in Lincoln is I created just a quick website for me. Your website done for you. I put my face on it because it's kind of like I'm connecting with local people. Then you can just go find 20 leads. Just go search flat tire near me, plumber near me, electrician near me, roofer near me, and just look through the results. Find ones that have no website, or a lot of times it'll take you to their Facebook page, or it'll take you to a copyright 2019 website. Then, give them a call. If you don't want to get on the phone, send them a text message. Just say, hey, I'm a local web developer. Notice you didn't have a website. Do you want a demo of a new one? And Hostinger makes it so easy. You can actually create their website before they pay you. Just build them a website and send it to them and say, hey, you want me to set this up for $75 a month? And a lot of people will say no, and that's fine. You have to get used to rejection. But some people will say, oh yeah, sure, we'd love to do that. And then all of a sudden you have a web design business going. So, and I have done this locally. I'm up to 7 customers right now. It's taken me a total of about 20 minutes, I would say. So then once you start making money, I've actually been looking at this Nook app where I'm keeping the funds for the business. and it gets 7.6% APY. So once you get some money, you can start having your money work for you. But 7.6% APY, you can withdraw anytime. There's no fees involved. There's no account fees involved, but a great place to keep your money while you're waiting to figure out what to do with it. But I want some of you to take action. Let me know in the comments who is going to take action on this. Search tire repair near me, contact 5 of them, okay? Just set that as your goal for today. Go to Hostinger/James Pelton, sign up for Hostinger, use promo code James Pelton. My name is everywhere. When you start getting some customers, put it into Nook and you have a business. But as always, Proverbs 14:23, hard work brings profit, mere talk leads only to poverty. So I want 5 people to say, I will go ahead and do this. I will start this business today. So let me know in the comments who's going to do that. I would love to support you. I'd love to feature you on the channel if you're interested. But I appreciate you guys watching. Love AI and what it's doing. I mean, this is a win-win-win situation. This is a win for you. You have a business. This is a win for the local people. You're not taking advantage. I'm not taking advantage of Crawford Plumbing. I am helping them. I'm providing a service. They could go create this website themselves, but they're busy. They don't want to go figure it out. They would rather pay me a little bit of money and I will take care of it. They don't have to even think about it. So it's a win-win situation and I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you all and have a great rest of your day.